Hey everyone, welcome back to my monthly r/MechanicalKeyboards Reddit recap series for the month of May. Honestly, I thought this month was a bit slower than usual. It's possible I could have missed something, but I didn't see any major group buy fulfillments or anything like that this month. Despite that, I still was able to pick out some of my favorite posts to share with you guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, the links to all the original posts will be down below. And to start things off strong, BensJR posted another custom engraved keyboard just a couple of days ago. The keyboard is the Austin by Drift Mechanics. The layout for this board was specifically designed to allow for a numpad with a 2U0 key on a keyboard that technically isn't considered full size. As you guys can see, the very talented BensJR is still at the top of their game with this awesome engraving. The brass definitely gives off an ultra premium vibe for this project that takes it over the top. And I'm curious about what kind of special finish was used for the weight. It has a really cool patina that gives the keyboard some extra personality with almost an acid wash type look. These engraving projects are always a pleasure to see, and again, I can't wait for the next one. If you're interested, I'll leave the link to the full gallery in the description as well. Up next, we have a custom keyboard project posted by the user uColfy or just Colfy. This is an update on their maglev mounting project. Maglev stands for magnetic levitation, where an object is suspended using magnetic fields. As we can see, Colfy is using magnets to mount the plate to the case, kind of acting like frictionless and invisible springs. It'll be interesting to see how this mounting style will affect the typing experience because it does look very squishy. I imagine the PCB and plate don't actually flex, and instead the whole thing moves up and down in unison. Colfy does have a couple of update videos on their YouTube channel, which means we get to listen to a typing test. If you enjoyed the video so far, remember to subscribe. And if you didn't know, I'm giving away a keyboard. Go check out my Warrior K87 review for more details. If my channel continues to grow, I'll be able to do more giveaways more consistently, so thank you to everyone for your support. And now let's move on to our next post. We have a very brave post from the user KelvinH27. They created a super loud keyboard build and titled their post "Polar Opposite of Every Board on this sub." Let's start by taking a listen to the sound test, and then I'll get into detail about it after. Okay, so if you're like me, you probably want an explanation for the sound of this board. When I looked into the parts list, I was shocked to see that they were using switches called Marias quiet linears. I mean, how do quiet switches sound so loud? So I kept looking through the parts until I came across this. Solenoid duh. I didn't know what a solenoid was, and I imagine many of you don't know either. From what I was able to find, a solenoid is basically a piston that uses electricity to create a magnetic field to work. I was able to find a video demonstrating a solenoid in a keyboard, and from what I found, they basically are just used to tap the keyboard and let you know when a switch registers. I don't really know if these have any purpose besides making sound, but if you know more about solenoids, please share with everyone in the comments. My favorite build of the month was posted by user HeyItsAnjello with their custom painted build. The board features Akko black and gold Haragana keycaps and lubed Glorious Panda switches. The case is the Tom 680, which was custom painted using various lacquer acrylic spray paints. For a custom paint job, they did an excellent job color matching the paint with the keycaps. It really looks like the pair were meant to be together, and even more so, the custom coiled cable and mousepad colors fit so well with the theme. This whole setup is excellent. They did an amazing job ensuring the whole thing was cohesive and went with the theme. To end this month's video, I wanted to share a couple of channel updates instead of a list of group buys. If you couldn't tell from the background footage, I have a whole new desk setup and I'll be making a video on my new computer build and keyboard build soon. I also have 4 switches that I bought that need to be reviewed. And of course, my latest client is patiently waiting for their Animec build. I don't know what order I'll be posting those videos because I'm still working on them all, but if you're looking forward to my new content, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.